We met in the spring of 2007 when I was pledging Delta Phi Upsilon, and he was my big brother when I was going through my pledge process. And throughout the process, I had gained an attraction for him. So after the actual process, I initiated to pursue him.
So what's interesting, I think, about our Panther story is that we're 9 years apart. So I'm 9 years older than Adrian, but I returned back to Prairie View on multiple occasions to either choreograph for one of the pageants, work with classic dance ensemble, or to do work with our fraternity Delta Phi Upsilon. So I was on campus to do work for Delta Phi Upsilon this particular time, and I met Adrian through that work. He was assigned to me as my little brother, and the first time I saw him, I just thought, wow, you know, if chocolate could manifest into a human being, it would be Adrian. Adrian thought that we were just celebrating our being together for 7 years, and so we were at a historic hotel downtown in Houston, the Magnolia Hotel, and I had all of our friends to meet at a restaurant, and actually our friends didn't know why they were there either. And so I had someone to go and get them from the bar where they had assembled for drinks, and then meet us at the gazebo outside the Wortham Theater. And so after we had dinner and had listened to some jazz, we did a horse and carriage ride through downtown, and the horse stopped and led us out at this trail of roses that led up to this gazebo where someone was singing, playing an acoustic guitar, 2 people were dancing, and I got on one knee and proposed to him in front of our friends.
I really didn't know what was going on at first, but then once we started walking towards the actual gazebo area, and then I saw my friends and, you know, his friends, and I was like, something's not adding up here. So once I saw the actual the dancers and the gentlemen singing and all that kind of stuff, I kind of felt at that point, okay, it's about to happen. So I was excited and surprised at the same time.
So I think it's really important to mention the support of our families, because I think the Black community gets a really bad rap in terms of homophobia, which is true and real and harmful. But we were both very lucky to have 2 extremely supportive families who demonstrate love and grace unbelievably. So not only the wedding and the marriage, but something that has happened since we got married is that we've had an opportunity to expand our families and been welcomed into each other's families, and it's love and it feels good. And I don't know that people give their families credit for being that type of family.
Now I have an extended family. You know, I have more sisters because I only have one sister and one brother biologically, but now I have other sisters now that I truly see as my actual sisters. I have another mom now, you know, and then like my actual parents, like they are, you know, so supportive. We just have a very, very like loving and welcoming family. Like you couldn't ask for a better family. And like my cousins, they're like so supportive. I talk to them like almost every day, like my regular biological brother and sister. So I'm just, you know, grateful to have like such a supporting family. Harry, you are my heartbeat because I can't see myself living without you.
Adrian, you are my light. You are the brightness that pulls me closer to positivity.